Well, as you can see, the Camaro's back from the shop finally. It has not been detailed since August of last year. The interior has not been detailed since long before then. And it shows. Partially due to the fact that I was working full time, 12 to 16 hour shifts. And you can see that it is filthy. I kept the exterior in decent shape. Kind of dark, I know. But the interior is absolutely disgusting. The exterior I did because that's what people see. Nobody really rides in this but me. And it's an absolute disaster inside. When I do start cleaning, probably later this afternoon, I'll show you some of the chemicals and tools I'll be using. A little closer view of the floor. Let me turn the flash on so you can see. Well, there we go. As you can see, passenger side floor is horrendous. Next to the seat is absolutely disgusting. Partially because the crevice tool I have for my vacuum does not reach there. Which is when I'll be showing you where the air compressor comes in really handy. I'll be doing that later this afternoon. And I will bring you along. Like I said, I will show you some of the chemicals and the different brushes I'll be using. Now, if you do not have an air compressor, those cans of compressed air for like your computer keyboards and such will also work. Not as well, but they will help get soap, water, fluids out of like the switches on the doors, door seams, where the water might collect, drip down, and make a dirty spot once you're done cleaning. So stay tuned for that. I will set it up on the tripod, that way I don't give anybody the finger by accident. And since it's supposed to be raining, it's not yet, but it will be. I'm going to start with the interior. And just a note, when you do clean an interior, the glass is done last. I know some people say, well, you got to crawl in the car and risk bringing some debris in on your freshly vacuumed and cleaned interior. But I always do the dirtiest work first, which is the vacuuming. They say don't use an air compressor because it will blow all that debris all over everything else. But if the carpet is the first thing you do and then you clean everything else, it really doesn't matter. And if you have to do a quick vacuum after the fact, just to touch it up when you're finished, so be it. That's just the way it is. I will be back probably a couple hours with the cleaning video and the final results.